Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll show you how to customize your Gumroad store. I'll show you how to customize your branding, your layout, your products and settings step by step. All right, so the first step is accessing your store settings. So guys, first log into Gumroad and then move over to your settings. So as you can see, I'm currently on my Gumroad dashboard here. And now all you need to do is from the home section, head over to the settings menu. So head over to settings. Now, once you're on the settings menu, all you need to do is click on profile. Once you've clicked on profile, it represents your store as well. So this is where you control your store's appearance. Basically, you could change your profile name, your bio. You can even add a logo as well and some social links. So we'll be getting into all of these in a minute. So basically, your username is here. You could view your profile at this. So in order to change your username so it reflects with your Gumroad account, I believe your username should match with your store name. So let's say you want to be a store that sells PDFs, any kind of PDFs. So let's call this store PDF Go. It looks good. And now all you need to do is make sure the username also reflects this PDF Go. Now it's going to say pdfgo.gumroad.com, which is more in tune with the products you're selling. So basically, your products and your links should, reflect each other. Now, in your bio, you can go ahead and enter anything that would promote your business. You could put something like fair trades for knowledge. You could enter something like this: fair trades for knowledge. So basically it kind of reflects what your store is about. You're giving out knowledge in your PDFs and they're trading for it with money. All right, so the next thing here is logo. So your logo will be visible next to your name in your Gumroad profile and product pages. Your image should be at least 200 by 200 px and in JPEG or PNG form. Now you can generate your logo using prompts. We're in the age of artificial intelligence where you can simply give it a prompt and actually get something good coming out of that prompt. So you can prompt your Canva AI, you can prompt your Perplexity, you can prompt ChatGPT, Grok, any platform can be prompted, and then you get a suitable logo and simply upload it here. If you want to do that, I believe all you need to do is go ahead and delete what is there first and now click on upload. So it's going to send you into your gallery on your desktop or mobile if you're accessing this from your mobile device. Now, let's head into downloads and simply find a picture. Let's look at this and simply click on upload. Okay, this is the wrong. All right, so click on upload again, click on downloads, select one and then click on open. And it's going to begin uploading your logo onto this. So please make sure your logo is a fair reflection of your business. I just added this for the purpose of the tutorial. All right, now the next thing is connecting your socials. So basically, it is only available for X for now. I do not know if there's an option for Facebook or Instagram. But yeah, you can add them here. If that option, if the Facebook connecting option isn't available, you could easily connect your other social media platforms by saying find me at Facebook, and then you just control V and paste your Facebook profile link basically. All right, so now the next thing is your fonts. So you could change your fonts, how your font appears, I believe, on your website. Yes, so this is what your website looks like. Basically, your bio and everything is reflected here. And if you scroll through, you could change your highlight colors. So the highlight color for your business is set to white. You can set it to red if that is what your business is about, but I'll keep it in the middle, something that people rarely see on websites. And then the highlight colors can come in later when you add highlight elements, or you could just keep it on white. I'll just leave it on white for now. All right, so the next thing after here is also is basically heading over to the advanced section. So Head over to advanced and you can actually include a domain. So let's say you own a separate website out of Gumroad. You can easily link this to your domain. You could just enter your domain name here and it will be linked. And also another thing or another way of customizing your Gumroad platform is to head over to the settings menu. So head over to settings, scroll down, and now where we have adult content, go ahead and turn this on. So depending on the kind of content you share on Gumroad, depends on your visibility. So your chances of making high sales would probably profit from having your adult content turned on. So make sure this setting is actually turned on so you can share your work with adults. All right, now moving on to the next thing where we have customizing your product page. So you can go ahead and customize your products by clicking on products here and then heading into the products themselves. So go ahead and click on it. Now you could change the description of your products. You could change the content therein by simply, uploading your files, or you could just basically start typing out your contents if it is a written piece. You could head back to the products page and change the cover of the product. You can see what it looks like here. It's a fitness workout PDF which I had uploaded a while back, but if you want to get yours, just go ahead and click on the plus and then upload a new image, and a new image will be uploaded. Then same thing for thumbnails, so you can get a new thumbnail and you can have a different cover photo for it. All right. And last but not least, it's organizing your products. So you can reorder products on your storefront. All you need to do is head over to the settings menu again, head back to settings, click on profile, and scroll through till you find the option to preview your profile. So go ahead and click on preview, and this would open. Once it does open, where we have this plus here, click on it and select products. And now your products are going to be showcased here. All right, guys. So um, that's how you can go about customizing your Gumroad account. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content.